They say that we ain't got the style, we ain't got the class, we ain't got the tunes that's gonna put us on the map. And I'm a phony in disguise trying to make the radio. I'm an antisocial anarchist, I sound like so-and-so. They say I'm just a stupid kid, another crazy radical. Rock and roll is dead, I probably should have stayed at school. Another generation X who somehow slipped up to the cracks. Oh, they'd love to see me fall, but I'm already on my back. So it goes in one ear and right out the other. People talking shit, but you know I never bother. It goes in one ear and right out the other. People talking shit, yeah, you can kiss the back of my hand. Now I know I'm not a saint, I've been a sinner all my life. I ain't trying to have my flaws, I'd rather keep them in the light. They wanna criticize, scrutinize, cast another stone, ban me at the stake and sit and watch it from the throne. They say the devil is my pal, I do a lot of drugs. The crowd will only like me if they're really fucking drunk. They think they know my thoughts, but they don't know the least. If they listen to the words, they find the message tucked beneath. But it goes in one ear and right out the other. People talking shit even though they never bother. It goes in one ear and right out the other.
Hi. Ja, also nicht sagen, du schaffst es. Ja!
Love system in my head. People are creeping about. These people are freaking me out. It's getting hectic everywhere that I go. They won't leave me alone. There's things they all wanna know. I'm paranoid of all the people I meet. Why are they talking to me? And why can't anyone see? I just wanna live. Don't really care about the things that they say. Don't really care about what happens to me. I just wanna live. Just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live, just wanna live. I rock a lawsuit when I'm going to court, a white suit when I'm getting divorced, a black suit at the funeral home, and my birthday suit when I'm home alone, talking on the phone. Got an interview with the Rolling Stone. They're saying, now you're rich and now you're famous. Fake ass girls all know your name. And of the rich and famous, your first hit on you a shame. Of the life, of the life, of the life we're living. I just wanna live. Don't really care about the things that they say. Don't really care about what happens to me. I just wanna live.
Also, das haben wir schon mal gemacht, oder? Also, das.
Stop your messing around, boy. Better think of your future. Better make some good friends. Boy said everyone teachers.
Warte, hast du vergessen da?
We say where we coming from. We've already seen the ones that this life can bring. Now we expect it everywhere that we go. All the things that they say, we already know. I just wanna live. Don't really care about the things that they say. Don't
Super!
just wanna live, just wanna live.
Legst du noch?
Ja, das ist Film.
Oh!